We have crew aboard.
I'm Lucy. I got here a little bit late.
You know those military men, they're like,
Uh-huh.
And today we're taking her everywhere.
It's my first time on a dinghy too.
First up, a deserted island.
You're gonna be the tester?
Photo shoot in the trees.
Before soaking in a sunset.
Chef in the kitchen. It's priceless.
Then we're raising the sails for a far-off destination. Well, we're trying to. Let's do it.
Hi! Let me hear that again. She's our dolphin caller.
It is calm.
Very calm.
I think we'll go over to the beach.
Yeah, hopefully the current isn't as bad. We're packing up.
Yeah, the current here is it's cooking like 3 knots. How do you like your first anchorage,
It's
Lucy?
awesome. It's beautiful.
Look
yeah,
at
oh
she
good.
fits the part.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
My goodness. You're glowing. She's in her element.
That's
You can
awesome.
tell this is where she belongs. These islands are about 20 miles west of Key West, Florida. We've anchored about a mile up the channel where we found some great holding. Let's lock the boat up, grab the dinghy, and go explore.
He's doing the dinghy, so we'll do hatches. So these top handles, they have those little spin things on them.
Right there?
Yep, you also have to have it under control because the window could just fly down.
Okay.
They twist one way to loosen, one way to tighten.
Oh shoot.
Yep.
Locking her up so we can come home to a hot box.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
That's so nice. But then you open it and it's like, whew.
Yeah.
It's always amazing when you leave the dock because we've been on the dock for 6 weeks and then you leave and it's like you have to reset,
Yeah.
right? You have to get used to the hotness again.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah.
Doesn't bother me, the seasickness. It's like resetting everything. The water's beautiful. What is this, slack tide?
No, I think it's getting close to it though. I got the dinghy down. We are ready to go. We'll buzz over to the beach. I was gonna bring the drone, but I think I'm gonna just fly the drone from the boat later.
Okay. You have confidence in that?
Nope. Let's do it.
I don't want to lose another one.
Just need to make sure we grab everything before we head off. The walk back to the dinghy can be a little painful due to the deck getting so hot in the sun. One day we'll replace this flooring for something better.
Oh, it's hot, huh?
Ah, it's so hot.
I know.
You alright?
Yeah. That was my first time on a dinghy too.
This is your first time?
Yeah. My first time on a dinghy too.
We're getting a lot of firsts over here.
A lot of firsts,
This
yes.
small genie can handle 10 people.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
No, 5 people. 5 people.
I thought you said 10.
Oh,
Yeah,
we've
5.
had more than
Yeah,
5
way more.
people in here. We were all skinny at that moment.
Perfect.
Like here.
Let me know when we're gonna go fast so I can hold my hat. Oh, this is so pretty.
Calypso is our floating home. We moved aboard about 8 years ago when Jeremiah retired from the Marine Corps. Since then, we've been sailing her all over, and we've loved taking you for the ride. While Calypso is super comfortable, Taco isn't quite as comfy, but she's fast. It was a quick ride to the island on a smooth sea. Who doesn't love having their very own island for the day? We found this tiny beach, perfect for landing the dinghy. And as an extra perk, it had a swing.
Oh, bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you. Leaving me stranded.
He's like, I'm working it.
Beach is up.
Perfect. You think it'll hold us?
Let me check.
Oh, you're gonna be the tester? All right.
From here,
Yeah, you got the background, right?
get a little bit of the water.
Look at, Lucy's all about composition. I like that because I think about composition all the time.
Look, I always. I think this is like people that like to take pictures.
Yeah.
You have a different view.
What a great spot to grab some pictures. Humor us, boys.
Is this your first deserted island that you've?
Yeah.
There you go.
Never been to one.
There you
no.
go.
It's always a first time for everything.
Yeah,
right?
man.
Oh yeah.
No
The
swing
secret
for her
is-
kids.
Put the arms up.
Oh yeah.
Nice photo
Let me
shoot.
breathe. Let me breathe.
Photo shoot in the trees.
That's what I always do. Don't breathe.
This is really nice, a little spot. Got to stop for the photo shoot.
Thanks, guys. This little gem of a beach was so nice for relaxing in the shade.
That's beautiful. There, we got it.
Thank you. You're swinging us really high.
Yes, please, just swing us really high. We really want to test how well this holds.
This one I'm familiar with.
Yeah.
The little ones is fine.
Yeah, I love these. This is like a cool little mimic of like a big one. Put it in the back so
We're
yeah.
gonna anchor them.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, everybody can just climb on.
First landing complete. Now we're in search of a nice spot to relax for the rest of the evening.
I guess I don't have to do that anymore.
I know. Another one.
Oh no! I told you you're gonna have like 20 by the time you leave. We're christening Lucy. She gets 1 bruise a day. Now we're up to 2 a day. Let me see. Oh, it's just starting. The good news is I don't think I have to pull the dinghy anymore.
We just waited in the warm water and chatted. The other adults got to enjoy sundowners, and I got to be pregnant. Yeah, that's okay. After a few hours, we decided to head back to the boat for dinner. Sunset is the best viewed from the boat, that's for sure.
So what you got going on here?
Well, I'm doing some zucchinis and potato. And I'm gonna do salmon.
I know it smells good.
It smells good, right?
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Now the kitchen is mine.
That's awesome.
Bree, you just relax, put your feet up, and you're good to go. Cheers.
It is getting hot up in here.
I'm getting used to gas because I always cook on an electric. In Brazil, that's what I used to do, but then I got used to the electric in Florida, so now this is the zucchini.
Look at that, that looks amazing. We're trying to eat through all of our meat before we all get salmonella. The freezer's at a crispy what right now?
Oh my god.
Oh, crispy 51.4. That's perfect for salmonella growth. So that's good. Hey, make sure you cook it good. Like,
I don't want to get
make
sick,
it hot.
please.
Make it hot.
Everybody go like, oh,
No.
sick. I don't want to get food sick, please.
No, me neither.
Last night at 11, we switched everything out of the freezer into the fridge.
I was looking at it and I was measuring, and Brittany was like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "Well, maybe we don't need the freezer room. I could put like a sweet like stereo system." She didn't like that idea. The refrigerator's at 41, but what I remember was this outside fridge was just one of the best features of Calypso. And I mean, seriously, this thing is the bomb. And we keep drinks in here, but the back of it has a freezer. So and it's cold. It's all solid. So I stuck all the like chicken or whatever in there. That saved the day.
Good
that
thinking.
little freezer.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch the chicken so the rest freezes. Well, if it tastes as good as it smells.
That looks amazing.
Oh my goodness! Is this like Brazilian style? Or just...
You could tell it's like kind of Brazilian style because, you know, the Brazilian cooked. So.
I have a chef on board. Thank you so much.
Another wonderful day was in the books. Finished off with a great meal that Lucy prepared.
Just woke up. It's about 7:15. I woke up to a chef in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, I've never had this. She is cooking up a storm.
Pancakes, eggs. I want to do oatmeal too, but I couldn't find it.
Oh, it's actually right next to your head where you sleep.
Oh.
In the cubby. I was figuring I should tell you so that long cubby along the bed.
Oh, okay.
All my flowers and stuff are in there.
Okay.
So you got pancakes going on.
Mm-hmm.
She's already got her coffee.
And I'm doing the pancakes.
My goodness.
Strawberries.
How'd you sleep?
I slept pretty well. I mean, like a rock. That's
Yes.
awesome. The boat didn't move at all.
No, it was really
perfect.
nice.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I agree.
So far, so good. And then it's priceless too. Cook watching the sunrise.
Oh, yes, I know.
That is unbelievable. I was here cooking and I was like, oh my god, this is priceless. I mean, look at that.
It's amazing, I know.
While Lucy cooks breakfast, we'll get our girl moving through the clear water. Mornings are my favorite time of day. It's beautiful and still cool from the night before. Plus, there's coffee. Decaf for me. Another perk. How'd you sleep?
I was up between 3 and 5:30.
I was up with you.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't even notice.
You're up, down, moving.
Yeah, I got up and charged the GoPro. I just couldn't sleep.
What do you think about the kitchen situation?
That's crazy. So dressed up and making food is amazing.
Oh, there's more. We may have to rethink the nanny position and hire a chef.
Lucy, this looks amazing.
I know.
What time did you get up to do all that?
Well, I woke up at 6. Then I looked at the window and I saw that we're moving. I thought that we were moving because I saw the water. But then I was like, no, it's not. So then I tried to sleep again. Couldn't. I was like, no, let me just wake up.
We're sailing about 40 miles out to sea, headed for the dry Tortugas. And so was our little friend here. The winds were light, so we decided to try out our spinnaker for the very first time, which didn't go well. Our spinnaker was placed on a furling. We aren't fans of it, and we have no idea how to use it. It immediately got twisted up, so we just put it away until we can figure it out. Then we were given a little treat.
She's our dolphin caller. See, it was meant to be for this sail to not work, so
True?
we saw the dolphins.
Yeah.
Oh well, I gotta take it down when we get there because it's all blown out up there.
Oh, but what you said makes sense. When you're doing one part,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
wrapping the other one.
Yeah.
Boat fails. Sailing fails.
You get really cold.
I know.
Because I thought it would be like...
Oh well, you can keep the sailing thing a secret. Right, Bird? Crap. Coming up,
Have you ever seen an airplane land on the water?
we're in the dry Tortugas,
Loggerhead Island.
taking Taco for more fun in the sun and in the water.
We'll do a nice bowline on it.
Let's practice when you're at the boat.
Bikinis, smooth skin, and fire coral. It's gonna be good.
What'd you think, Lucy?
Oh, it was awesome, except for the little accident we had.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.